If you're seeing Epic Games error code 200_010, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few proven fixes that can help get you back into the game. We'll cover enabling administrator permissions, verifying the game files, repairing Epic Online services, and refreshing your network settings. These steps are simple, free, and safe to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get started. First, we're going to make sure the Epic Games Launcher has the right permissions to run properly. On your desktop or in your Start menu, find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it, then choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Turn that on, then click Apply and OK. This gives the launcher elevated permissions, which can often solve launch issues, login issues, and error code problems related to access. Now launch Epic Games again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to verify the game installation files. Open your Epic Games library and find Fall Guys. Under the game, click the three dots. From the menu that appears, select Manage, then click Verify. Epic will now check your installed files and replace anything that's missing, damaged, or broken. This can take a few minutes depending on your connection and game size, but it's an important step because corrupted files are one of the most common causes of error code 200_010. If you're still having trouble after verification, the next fix is to repair the Epic Online Services component. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc, then press Enter. This opens the Windows Services window, where you can manage background services installed on your PC. Scroll through the list until you find Epic Online Services. Once you locate it, right-click it and choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, find the Startup Type drop-down menu and change it to Manual. Then look for the Service Status section and click Start if the service is not already running. After that, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Epic Online Services plays an important role in connecting games and launcher features properly, so if the service is disabled or not starting correctly, it can trigger connection or launch errors like this one. Now, let's refresh your network configuration, because sometimes the issue is caused by old DNS data or a broken Winsock catalog. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and when command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the next commands need admin access. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache on your system. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets your Windows network stack, which can fix hidden connection issues that prevent Epic Games from communicating properly. Once both commands are complete, restart your computer. The restart is necessary so Windows can fully apply the network refresh and load everything cleanly. After your PC comes back on, open the Epic Games Launcher again and try launching the game one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will clear the error and get things working normally again. If the error is still showing, go back and double-check each step carefully. Make sure the launcher was set to run as administrator, confirm that the verification process completed, and verify that Epic Online Services is started and set to manual. Also, make sure you restart it after resetting the network settings, because skipping that restart can stop the fix from taking effect. Hopefully, one of these methods solved Epic Games error code 200_010 for you and got you back into your game. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.